On the vast and boundless earth, there are many places brimming with mysterious vibes, each shrouded in enormous enigmas that leave people perplexed and in awe of their own insignificance. Today, let's talk about the top 10 most mysterious and unfathomable places in the world. Over the past few centuries, the Bermuda Triangle has been the site of many mysterious events, including the disappearance of numerous ships and planes, as well as strange electromagnetic phenomena. These events have made the Bermuda Triangle one of the most controversial and fascinating areas in the world. Located between the North American continent and the Atlantic Ocean, the Bermuda Triangle is surrounded by the waters encompassing the Florida Peninsula, the Bermuda Islands, and Puerto Rico. While it covers a relatively small area, it is surrounded by a series of perplexing phenomena. Based on historical maritime records, this region seems to have become the graveyard for hundreds of ships and aircraft. Countless people and vehicles have inexplicably vanished within this area, disappearing completely as if wiped off the face of the earth. The earliest globally recognized incident that drew attention to this area occurred in the early 20th century when the USS Cyclops, a U.S. Navy collier ship with 309 crew members, vanished in this mysterious sea zone. The ship lost contact with land and soon disappeared entirely from the ocean. Despite extensive search efforts, the USS Cyclops was never found. In addition to ships, the Bermuda Triangle has also claimed numerous aircraft. The most famous incident took place in 1945 when 5 U.S. Navy Avenger torpedo bombers, known as Flight 19, consisting of 14 crew members, disappeared during a routine exercise in the Bermuda Triangle. Despite several days of searching, no trace of the aircraft was found. These mysterious events in the Bermuda Triangle have prompted scientists to propose various explanations. Some believe that the region has unique geological and topographical features, possibly caused by tectonic activity and underwater volcanic eruptions, leading to drastic changes in magnetic fields and weather conditions, which in turn result in the disappearance of ships and planes. Others speculate that supernatural forces are at play in this area, devouring anything that enters its realm. However, none of these explanations have been definitively confirmed, and the Bermuda Triangle remains an unsolved enigma. The Dragon's Triangle, also known as the Devil's Sea, is a sea area located in the western Pacific Ocean. It shares many similarities with the Bermuda Triangle, as both are triangular regions situated around the Tropic of Cancer. Due to numerous aviation and maritime accidents that have occurred here, it has earned the reputation as the Bermuda of the Pacific. Since 1928, the Dragon's Triangle has witnessed over a dozen mysterious disappearances of ships and airplanes, giving rise to legends and speculation about this sea area. One of the most bizarre incidents involved the disappearance of an airplane in the airspace of the Dragon's Triangle. According to reports, the aircraft received a cryptic and inexplicable message during its final communication. Shortly after, unusual phenomena occurred in the sky, as if the heavens opened up and then closed again, returning to normalcy. The missing plane never transmitted any further messages. This event caught the attention of extraterrestrial culture researchers, with some suggesting the involvement of wormholes or other inexplicable phenomena. Area 51 is located in Lincoln County, southern Nevada, USA. In this area, there is a sign that prohibits entry, preventing people from directly accessing the region. Area 51 is a United States Air Force base used for secretive military and aerospace research. Some UFO enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists believe that Area 51 is the primary facility for studying extraterrestrial civilizations in the United States. They speculate that the area is involved in activities and technological research related to aliens. Additionally, some unidentified flying object incidents have been linked to this area. In the Nazca Desert of Peru, there are numerous mysterious giant figures known as the Nazca Lines. These figures consist of simple lines arranged in various peculiar patterns. Some shapes resemble fish, spiraled algae, vultures, spider flowers, deer, tree hands, hummingbirds, and monkey cats. These designs are composed of dozens of lines, each about 10 meters long, and most of the shapes can only be clearly seen from high above. In 1939, American archaeologist Paul Kosok discovered these ancient and intriguing drawings. Scholars speculate that these drawings were created as a form of folk art by the indigenous people and can be traced back to a period between 600 BC and 962 CE. Some even attribute these drawings to the work of extraterrestrial beings. However, the origins and purpose of these murals remain a mystery to this day. Stonehenge, also known as the Circle of Stones, is located in Amesbury, Wiltshire, England. It is one of the most popular tourist attractions in the country and is recognized as a World Heritage Site. Each year, at least 1 million visitors from the world come to see this ancient and mysterious monument. Stonehenge is composed of massive stones arranged in 3 circular structures. The tallest stones do not exceed 6 meters in height. Researchers estimate that Stonehenge was erected on this flat plain several thousand years ago. Why does this awe-inspiring stone circle exist? Some believe it could have been a temple or burial ground built by ancient humans, but how the people of late Neolithic Britain were able to move these enormous and heavy stones remains an unsolved mystery. It's located in the South Pacific Ocean, west of Chile, is one of the most isolated and forgotten islands in the world, with the nearest inhabited island being approximately 2,230 kilometers away. It was during Easter in 1722 when Dutch explorer Jacob and his fleet arrived at the island, giving it the name it is widely known as today, Easter Island. Over 1,000 years ago, the Rapa Nui civilization thrived on these Pacific islands. The indigenous people created over 800 massive stone statues known as moai. These towering statues, averaging around 3 meters in height and weighing up to 14 tons, were carved from single blocks of stone, making their creation a tremendous feat. There are different theories regarding why the native people carved such colossal stone statues. One theory suggests that after the death of a tribal chief, the people would carve a statue near his tomb to embody the spiritual power of the chief and seek blessings from the gods for the prosperity and well-being of the island and its inhabitants. Others believe that these stone statues served as markers, particularly indicating the locations of freshwater sources on the island. It's located on the Yucatan Peninsula in present-day Mexico, was an important city-state of the Maya civilization in the 7th century AD. However, with the decline of the Maya civilization, the ruins of the ancient city of Palenque were nearly swallowed by the dense tropical rainforest. Until June 5, 1952, that a stone slab carved with hieroglyphic figures and patterns was discovered among the ruins of a pyramid temple in Palenque. The patterns on the slab didn't seem particularly significant at the time. In the 1960s, astronauts embarked on space exploration aboard the Apollo 11 spacecraft. During their mission, some scientists involved in space research observed the carvings on the Palenque stone slab and were suddenly inspired. The carvings seemed to depict images of astronauts and spacecraft. This sparked curiosity among some individuals, leading them to ponder the mysterious connection between the ancient Maya civilization and extraterrestrial beings. On the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, there are 2 massive meteor craters. The Chicxulub crater is the most famous one, located near the Campeche Bay, with a diameter of approximately 180 kilometers. Scientists speculate that this crater was formed around 65 million years ago when a meteor with a diameter of about 10 kilometers collided with the Earth. The impact released energy equivalent to billions of tons of TNT explosives, surpassing any human-made explosion. The collision triggered a colossal explosion resembling a volcanic eruption, generating shockwaves, tsunamis, and vast amounts of volcanic ash and dust. These volcanic ash and dust particles dispersed in the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and causing a global decrease in temperature. This reduction in sunlight and photosynthesis had a severe impact on plants and the food chain. This series of environmental disasters ultimately led to a mass extinction event, including the extinction of dinosaurs. It became one of the significant events in Earth's history. Mohenjo-Daro is an important archaeological site of the ancient Indus Valley civilization, located in present-day Sindh province, Pakistan. It was established and flourished between 2600 BC and 1900 BCE. Mohenjo-daro is one of the most significant cities of the Indus Valley Civilization, showcasing the urban planning, social organization, and cultural characteristics of that civilization. The site of Mohenjo-daro was inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1980, representing the unique value and importance of the ancient Indus Valley Civilization. Mohenjo-daro's ruins exhibit a highly developed urban planning and architectural technology. The city was evenly divided into various zones with different functions, including residential areas, commercial districts, religious and ritual areas, public baths, and a sophisticated drainage system. These drainage systems are among the earliest known in ancient cities, demonstrating the advanced technological skills of the Harappan civilization in urban planning and public hygiene. Many mysteries still surround the urban layout and architectural style of Mohenjo-daro. For instance, it remains unclear how many levels the buildings had and the specific functions of different areas, which continue to be hot topics of research for archaeologists and scholars. The Sangsingui site is an important archaeological site located in the town of Sangsingui, west of Guanghan City in Sichuan Province, China. It represents the ancient Shu culture. It is a type of site that exhibits characteristics of the Bronze Age culture, with its history spanning approximately 1,000 years from around 2000 BC to 1000 BCE. Sangsingui gets its name from three adjacent mounds of earth, symbolically described as three stars accompanying the moon. This name has been passed down for thousands of years, bearing witness to the unique charm of this ancient site. The culture of Sangsingui exhibits distinct differences from the culture of the Central Plains region. From the archaeological excavations conducted between 1934 and 2002, numerous important artifacts have been discovered at the Sangsingui site, including bronze statues, bronze masks, bronze trees, and gold masks. The discovery of these artifacts holds significant significance for the study of ancient Shu culture and the history of ancient China. Among them, the bronze statues are one of the most distinctive artifacts of Sangsingui. These bronze statues are characterized by their outward-facing ears and prominent protruding eyes. They have unique and enigmatic features, with a mysterious smile on their faces. The bronze statues often have wide mouths and elongated ears, differing from the typical appearance of human beings. The specific identity of these bronze statues remains a subject of debate and research. Some scholars believe that they may represent figures from the ancient Shu state, while others suggest that they may be divine figures associated with religious beliefs. These mysteries spark curiosity and a desire for exploration, and we hope that one day their secrets will be unveiled.